HL7 Healthcare Breakthrough. Watch this video as we process HL7 transactions, encrypt all the data, store it in a data lake or SQL table, parse the HL7 into JSON, repair the data even for user segments, fields, and then make the data available for reporting. We offer a graphical interface for users to select the segments and columns they want presented, including user-defined segments, fields. The user can then export this GUI query to a hard copy report. We process HL7 healthcare messages that are at rest or via IoT with Kafka and Spark 3, or with BDR Spark 3 stream processing. Here we see the raw input feed is not encrypted. As soon as our Spark 3 watcher sees new data has been received, we will immediately encrypt this data with AES 256 or AES 512 encryption and make sure the data remains encrypted whenever it is at rest. Here we are setting up the process to read the originating HL7 messages. We establish the path to the input messages, where we want the parsed JSON encrypted output to be stored. In this example, we are storing the JSON HL7 encrypted results in Hadoop's HDFS, and then we run a process. Then we will select the path where the encrypted JSON results were stored, and as you can see, the originating HL7 messages are now in a JSON format and all field values are securely encrypted. Next, we open the processed HL7 encrypted JSON results and see that the user graphical interface allows us to select segments and fields, and even the occurrences within the fields to generate an online query report. This report may also be exported, generating a CSV report file. Just click the boxes for the fields you want to see and submit the process to view the results. By clicking the view icon, you can see the segments and fields you selected. Now just click the open icon to view the query results. Here we see the column header, metadata, and the results of each selected segment and their column values. When you process large volumes of HL7 JSON files, our response time will be extremely fast as we use server-side pagination. And again, these results may be exported to a CSV file. Here I want to show you that not only is all the HL7 data at rest encrypted, we also have encrypted the results of the query report data. We are opening up and showing these results that are securely stored in HDFS and encrypted. Lastly, we are showing the data at rest in HDFS of the parsed HL7 JSON data in HDFS, and all the column data is encrypted.
Process Healthcare HL7 with the latest Spark 3 Java technology and HAPI within a BDR framework. Encryption at the field level and write the results to either data lakes or SQL tables. BDR's technology is delivered as an AWS, AMI, a VM, or installed in your environment. HL7 projects can be delivered in a fraction of your original project time and budget estimates with far superior accuracy. We can take HL7 data from data at rest or live IoT continuous feeds. To become a beta, please reach us at 847-440-4439. Thank you for watching our Healthcare HL7 process video, and please stay safe.